The Drywall Hawk versus Pan. What are the differences and which is better? The short answer is that one is not necessarily better than the other. It's whichever you personally like better and helps you get the job done with good results. That said, beginner drywallers are going to find it more forgiving to work with a mud pan. A Hawk generally has a steeper learning curve and requires more balance and speed. So while you'll find professionals using Hawks and pans depending on their preference, beginners and DIYers should stick with pans, at least to start. Now for pros and beginners alike, pans are usually the go-to choice when it comes to small drywall jobs and repairs, especially if you're using a quick drying joint compound. That's because you can mix the hot mud material and water directly in the pan. You can't do that with a Hawk. Hot mud is also going to dry out faster on a Hawk where it has more exposed surface area. A pan is going to give you more working time before you start getting little dried bits of mud around the edges, which can ruin your finish. At HYDE, we carry a variety of different mud pans, ranging from this economical plastic pan on the left, all the way up to a full stainless steel welded seam pan for professional use on the right. Now, once you move into larger jobs where you're mudding an entire room or house, that's where pros reach for a Drywall Hawk as opposed to a pan. Drywall Hawks have a few distinct advantages. Number one, they can hold more mud than a pan, which means less trips back to the bucket. Number two, they are more ergonomic and natural to hold in your hand, which is a big plus if you've got several hours of mudding to do. And three, they're easier to clean because it's just a single flat surface. At HYDE, we've spent decades designing our Hawk, the MaxxGrip Pro. It's made of lightweight aluminum and comes in either a 10-inch or 13-inch size, and it's got a soft rubber grip that sits comfortably in the hand. That said, a Drywall Hawk has a much steeper learning curve than a pan. It requires balancing the mud so it doesn't accidentally spill off the sides, and you need to be constantly moving the mud on the pan so it doesn't dry around the edges. Lastly, while joint and taping knives can be used with either a pan or Hawk, if you're opting to use a trowel on your project, your only option really is the Hawk. So whether you're opting for a pan or a Hawk on your next project, let us know in the comments below why you prefer one or the other. And as always, you can find all the tools you'll need for your next drywall project at HYDEtools.com.